Hello everybody, welcome to Acorn and Oak and today's craft video. Today we're going to be using one of the Poundland 4-pound nutcrackers, and here's the chap here, and we're going to turn him into a candle stand. So first of all, I have one of these MDF bases, and I've got these on eBay, and they measure 10 centimeters or 4 inches. I've already pre-drilled some holes because I'm going to attach my nutcracker to this so it has a more substantial base. I'm going to paint this black using my Pebeo black gesso, which is my favourite black gesso, as many of you may already know. So I ask, if you're watching and you're new today, welcome. Hello, and thank you all to my regular viewers and subscribers. Your support is very much appreciated and means the world to me. How is your Christmas creating going? Your cards and your decorations and everything? And your decorating, have you started? This video will go out after Thanksgiving in the US. So have you started, or are you waiting for, was you waiting for the Thanksgiving weekend? I think this video will go out the week after Thanksgiving, so I think it's the, if I've got my calculations right, it's the 30th or the 1st of December, but you'll know because you're watching it. So I'm going to quickly dry that with my heat tool. Okay, moving that to one side now, crafters. Right, I have got these candlesticks that I got on eBay. You can get them from eBay and you can also get them from Amazon. This measures 22 centimeters or 8.5 inches. Now it's not going to make any difference what height it is, because what I've done is I've used my Dremel and I've cut it into 2 pieces. So I've got a piece here already, and we're going to use that as our candle stand. So what I need to do here is drill a hole in our nutcracker's head. So let me just, oh, not scan, not zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so I'm going to get right up into your face with my drill, and I'm going to use my hand drill, and I'm going to drill the center of his hat. Okay, that's that done. So what we need to do now is take our base, and I've already drilled the holes in the bottom so they should line up, and we need some wood glue, and now I'm using this tight bond, so I'm hoping that it's going to come out okay and not squirt all over the place. So put some wood glue on the bottom, and where are my screws, crafters? Okay, there we go. I will paint the bottom, but once this is in place, there we go. They weren't coming through the other end, the other side. Okay. That one's still not coming through enough. Come on. There we go. Is it that way, or is it the other way around? Yeah, that way. Okay, so now I'm going to screw this base on. so that gives it a much more substantial base. And then what we do, crafters, is we put this in the top. Now you can put some glue in if you wish, but I think this is going to be secure enough. Yeah, so using this sticky felt that I got from Poundland, which you use for just things like this, where you can you know, put things on the base to stop them scratching your surfaces. So I'm using a Sharpie to go around it. I'm going to cut that out, and that will go on the base of my candle stand. And I'm going to cut on the inside of that Sharpie marker, because obviously the nib is quite thick. You don't have to buy a new nutcracker for this. You could use nutcrackers you have at home, and you could spray paint them so it's all one colour. You could add glitter. You could add any other embellishments that you wish. But for me, this is enough. Okay, let's turn him over. Let's peel the backing off. And let's put this down. That is all now nice and protected. And there we have our Nutcracker candle stand. I will have pictures of him on display, so he's actually upright rather than laying down, but I just wanted to give you the impression of what he will look like. So thank you very much for joining me today, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.